Everyone, this is Kelton Day here at the KD Real Estate Group, showing you another wonderful listing we have here at 2962 Blenheim Park in Bulverde, Texas. This property is located in the Ventana community, right near 281 and Highway 46, located by all the best restaurants and shopping that you could ask for. This property is 4 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms with 3,062 square feet that was built in 2018 by Highland Homes. And we're going to give you a quick little tour as we walk through this property and give you some details and some upgrades throughout the tour. This property has wood light tile throughout majority of the house. That's a little half bath, and now we're in this room could be a study or an office, very private area. Coming down the hallway right here, long hallway, so high ceilings. Right here to our left, we have a little utility room with some shiplap on the walls, and a sink right there for washing, hand washing things or cleaning things up. Wide open floor plan, and here we have two full bedrooms with a full bathroom. They each have walk-in closets and plantation shutters on all of the windows in the property. Beautiful home, freshly painted. There's another bedroom with another walk-in closet, and right here to your left was a full bathroom. And then the kitchen, the dining room, family room. And here is the master bedroom. High vaulted ceilings, ceiling fans, light. Also has wood light tile in the floors. Here's a his or hers closet. Most of the women prefer the bigger closet. Double vanities, big large mirror with vanity lights. Garden tub. And then here's your stand-up shower, water closet, and then another closet, separate closets for his and her closets. Very nice floor plan. And as we walk around, you'll see more of the family room area. It has a gas burning fireplace with some shiplap on top of it. Plantation shutters right here as well. Then you have bar stools for the kitchen. You can change those up as you like. Lots of cabinet space. Lots of room storage. You have a refrigerator area right here and cabinets around the refrigerator. You have a storage and pantry. You have an oven and microwave, and then all stainless steel appliances. Dishwasher, and then you have a gas cooktop with a vent hood, nice pretty glass backsplash, garbage disposal, and then you have the media room. This is my favorite room of the property, with recessed lighting. This is about a $50,000 upgrade into this property that comes along with the property. A very nice system, customly built for this room in this house. So, and then we're going to show you the outdoor space. This property has brick on the exterior, which makes it super easy for maintaining year round and throughout the life of its home. We have tile on the patio, Texas sized patio. We have another wood deck patio that has been refinished and refurbished. Super nice. They also have a gas grill outlet, propane outlet. And this right here is a gazebo, little area for a hot tub or jacuzzi. So right here is the gas line for right there on the column. It's a gas line for your barbecue pit. So some nice outdoor relaxing area. You can relax, enjoy your family or friends for different holidays. Notice the brick all the way around. You don't have to come paint siding every year or every couple of years. So That's the beauty of having brick on all four sides of your property. So that is our property tour here today, and I hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to seeing you on the next one.